What's going on, guys? My name is Dylan and I will be doing a product review on the Zink NBG single reed acrylic duck call, so stay tuned. Alright, so this call itself is, like I said, the Zink NBG single reed acrylic duck call. This is the ultra bright green color. It comes with the Z-Cut no stick tone board, which is going to help for when it gets really cold outside or it gets built up a spit. This is going to help with your reed lock with having this tone board. When you buy this duck call, it's going to come with a hard case. It'll come with the soft case with the drawstring. It'll come with a zinc leg band. It'll come with one extra reed. And it will also come with their instructional DVD to help you get the best out of your duck call. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through a sound profile of this duck call. This is a raspy call. It doesn't take really any voice inflection at all to get that raspy sound to it. So I'll do a sound profile in here, and then I'll also do one outside so you can hear what it sounds like outside. So first off, we're going to start off with just a basic quack. So that is your simple quack. Then we'll go with like a 5 or 6 note greeting call. Next up, we'll do a hail call or your comeback call. And then now we will do your feed call or feed chuckle. So that is the sound profile of what you're going to get from this duck call. Alright guys, that does it for my review on the Zink NBG single reed acrylic duck call. If you like this video, hit that like button, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Definitely subscribe because we have a lot more product reviews coming your way. Thank you guys very much and we'll see you on the next one.